everyone, welcome to Only the Shreya. My name is Shreya
My name is Maddie.
and we both are at a place in Edinburgh which most of the tourists don't know about and skip it when they are visiting Edinburgh. We are in Royal Botanical Gardens. Let me show you how does it look, what all is here to explore for the tourists. Let's go.
When I was living in Glasgow, I loved the botanical garden there. I used to go there every week. But here, when I came in Edinburgh, it took me a long time to visit this botanical garden. Only because this botanical garden is little far away from the city centre. As soon as you reach, there are some guided tours you can book. There were so many people there. And then there was a garden map where a lot of people were trying to figure out where they are and what paths they are going to explore. We also started our journey from here. My first reaction after seeing this was, wow, this looks like a painting. And literally, this place has been visitors' favorite since 1800s. Each and every plant you see in here had a tag and which has the details of what kind of plant this is. Although I'm not a student, but this definitely made me excited and learn more about the plants that I'm seeing. If you have visited London's Kew Garden, this botanical garden was inspired from that garden. It's only because the Kew Gardens in London got very famous and attracted so many visitors, so the people who had created that garden in London also replicated it in Edinburgh. I was appreciating the beauty of the garden, but then I heard some voice which sounded like a waterfall, and it was. I was super curious to understand how come there is a waterfall inside this garden. Mary was on this mission and he went into the back of the waterfall and realized that it's a man-made waterfall.
It seems to be artificial.
I don't actually mind because it looks beautiful and complements the garden.
So this was Edinburgh Botanical Garden and this was a mind-blowing experience for me because I got to know about so many different plants. I could see that there were couples with children visiting this place to explore the plants and they were teaching the children. It was super cute. But there were also science students visiting and they were very keen into reading out the plants type, etc. That was quite interesting. Other than that, let me ask Mary, how does he find this place, who is not interested in anything where he have to put his mind, like whether it is a library, whether it is a museum, or this place where there is always a note somewhere near the tree, what kind of tree it is. What do you think about it?
Okay, this is nice, but again, this is not for me. It's for people who want to study about plants and all.
Yeah.
But this looks nice, but
This
it's
is
not.
very beautiful, very
Yeah.
beautiful, and definitely escape from Edinburgh. If you are in Edinburgh and you're done with like hush push of the city, you can definitely come here and it will give you peacefulness. You can actually hear the bird chirping and different kind of flowers, and the just scenery is just beautiful. I have to give it like hats off to the person who thought about this garden and put it like this.
Yes, it looks amazing.
It's beautiful. I have to tell you one thing, that if you are going to visit botanical gardens, you have to keep one day to this place because it's gonna take around 2 to 3 hours for you to be able to complete all the walks around here, and also it's a very tiring process. So I would suggest you can keep Botanical Garden as a picnic day for yourself and just come here and just be here all day. It's open from I think 10 till 6 p.m. nowadays, so you can get the best out of it. Also, you have to wear comfy shoes. What's another?
Yep, that is for sure.
If you're not wearing comfy shoes, this is gonna be a very hard work for you. So make sure that you are wearing comfy pants, comfy shoes, and then come to this place.
If you're tired, this place also had cafes, and there's also shops where you can shop different plants from and some goodies. Tired from scrolling through the shops, now we went to have some coffee. I got salted caramel brownie and coffee for myself and ended the day in peace with beautiful view.
So I hope you like this video, and for more such updates, keep watching.
Only this way,
Yay!